This is Xiaomi 14, and today I will show how you can factory reset this phone through its own settings. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app, then enter the About Phone category, scroll down, find and tap at the Factory Reset option, then tap at the Erase All Data, Factory Reset, then decide whether you would like to keep your eSIM data or clear it. I'll go with Clear option here. Now you will need to, get acknowledged with this warning here, wait 10 seconds and press the Next button. Then do that once again, read this warning, make sure that all the important data that you have and that you do not want to lose is backed up somewhere, laying safe and sound. Now tap at the OK button, and as you can see, the process gets underway. So now let's wait for it to finish, and after the factory reset is finished, you will see the initial system setup interface. So let's wait for that, and once we see that interface, I'm going to finish the video. So as we can see, guys, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.